All right, this is one of those modern style ceiling fans from the EIHIWD store. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm going to install this and give you a demo on how it works first, but let me tell you a little bit about it. It's one of those newer style, low profile ceiling fans. It doesn't have the big range that the old ones have with the blades coming all the way out. Everything's enclosed inside of it. They call this a bladeless fan, but it actually has plastic blades inside of there, but they're clear. It's kind of cool, actually. I've installed one of these before, and I actually like it. I like the light they project out. This fan features 3 different light color settings on here. You can adjust the warmth of it on there, and the fan itself has 3 different speeds on it that you can adjust all with this remote control right here. This remote control has a fan on and off, a light on and off, and you can control the different light settings and fan settings from the remote here, which just to let you know too, this remote requires 2 AAA batteries that don't come with it. The fan itself also features a timer. It's got a 1-hour timer on here and a 2-hour timer on there. You know what, we're going to install this and then we're going to mess with this, and I'll show you some more about it. The light itself is a 72 watt light, and it runs the circumference of this ring. And like I said before, this fan is only 19 inches across. So let me show you what you get with this. Here's what I like. It came packed in styrofoam in a nice box, totally protected when it arrived. When you pull it out of the package, it's exactly like this. And this is gonna be, for me, I've done a couple of these fans. This is gonna be super easy to install. It comes with this bracket that basically mounts on your junction box. If your old fan was connected via a junction box in your ceiling, this should be super easy to install. I'm thinking this is only gonna take me about less than 10 minutes to install this. They don't come with the screws that screw into the junction box, but if you've got a fan up there already, you probably have them already. It comes with some mounting hardware in case you need to mount this into wood or drywall, and it comes with 4 wire nuts, 4 little wire nuts. I'll probably use the ones I have on there. It comes with this remote, and it comes with a holder for the remote, you know, in case you want to mount this to the wall. And it comes with a set of instructions on here and safety warnings and different scenarios on how to install it and how to use everything in here. The fan itself couldn't be easier. 3 wires, hot, neutral, and ground. I'm thinking this is going to be pretty easy. All right, let's install this thing and see how it works. And then I'll go over the remote settings and see how cool it looks. All right, before you install anything, make sure you got the power shut off. Test it with the multimeter. Ooh, there we go. Once I got the old fan off, that was the hardest part. Just throw these 2 screws into the junction box, mount this bracket up. Now all I got to do is wire it and hang this thing up. Three wire nuts, because we're going black to black, white to white, and green to ground. Easy enough. That should be it. And we'll just tuck this stuff down in here around this remote control sensor. Fits all in there. There we go. There we go. So we have a light on, light off right here, right? Good. Fan speed 1, fan speed 2, and fan speed 3. It's kicking it pretty good. We have a 1-hour timer on here, a 2-hour timer on here, and a stop button. So that stops the fan. Let's see what the light settings do. Light on. I believe there are 10 different dimmer settings on here. You can change the different color settings on here and then adjust the brightness on here. Oh yeah, look at that. So this middle button totally changes the complexity of the light. So it took me 17 minutes to install this, and that includes removing the old fan. And the old fan was a pain. So as you can see, it was super easy to install. It works cool, looks cool. Something just would be great for almost any room in the house. Living room, kids' rooms, family room, dining room, kitchen, wherever you want. My mom has one of these fans in her sewing room, and she really likes the different light settings she can get off of it. And she likes being able to control the speed of the fan with a remote control. So that's another super cool feature we have here. So if you're looking for a modern style ceiling fan with a remote control, a timer, 72 watt light, all kinds of different options on it, check this one out.